me!
On March 9, 2023, law enforcement was dispatched to a reported domestic disturbance in a local area. The situation involved escalating tensions among individuals in a domestic environment, leading to police intervention to manage and resolve the conflict.
Can you talk to me for a minute?
Can I get something to drink? I'm just staying at the hotel right here.
You're staying at the hotel?
Yeah, and he's my ex.
When the officer arrived, they found a woman, Christina, causing a disturbance. As the investigation proceeded, Christina cooperated with the officer, offering information that clarified the domestic conflict and enabled a more effective resolution. Christina first gave extensive personal details, including about her makeup, but the officer did not realize these were false.
If you give me a moment, I can grab it. I'm literally right here.
Nah, it's all right. All right, just hang out a second.
Oh, I'm sweaty and hot.
What's his name?
Jason?
Jason what?
Oh, I think he was by Thompson.
Jason Thompson?
They have pine needles everywhere. I have to pee. I mean, it was just a stupid little argument.
Just hang out for a second.
I need something.
Despite her apparent cooperation, her misleading information complicated the investigation. After Christina left, the officer felt the need to seek further clarification due to potential inconsistencies or doubts about her story.
Whose name is the room under?
It's under my name, Christine.
Is it Kristen or Christine? Christine LeBlanc. All right, here's where we're at with that. And I'm just going to give you this full disclosure. All right, stop walking around.
The officer reapproached Christina, likely stressing the need for her cooperation to resolve the situation. This second contact suggests the officer aimed to verify the accuracy of her account or obtain additional details that were unclear or missing from the first conversation. During the investigation, an officer warned the woman that giving false information could result in criminal charges. She acknowledged the seriousness of the situation. However, once the officer continued the investigation, she abruptly tried to flee the scene.
Stop! I will tase you. Yep. Hey! Stop right now! There, watch out. Nope, I got her.
The officer quickly intervened to stop the woman from fleeing and decided to arrest her due to her behavior. As
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
Get off of me!
Stop resisting! Get that hand.
Let me breathe! Let me breathe!
Got it?
Let me breathe! Ah!
Stop resisting.
I can't breathe!
Relax!
I can't breathe! No, I really can't breathe! Ah! I really can't breathe! Help me!
As the officer tried to take her into custody, she resisted, complicating the process. She started crying and screaming, pleading to be released, but the officer remained focused and restrained her by laying her on the ground and applying handcuffs. Despite her ongoing resistance and emotional distress, the officer proceeded with the arrest.
121, gonna be a black.
You claw me, you're gonna have a problem.
I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Alright, she's cuffed.
I can't breathe! Get me off the floor! Get me off the floor!
6108,
I can't breathe! Alright, I'm done. I'm done. Can I get up?
No!
I can't. My leg hurts. I'm not gonna run. I'm not gonna go anywhere. Please. Please stop. I'm not gonna go anywhere.
Stop!
Oh, alright, I can't stand up.
No! I already told you you can't stand up! Sit down! Stop moving!
Ow.
6103,
Deborah Consolo. Weird, this looks a lot like you. Let me explain something to you, okay?
After the arrest, the officer placed the woman on the ground and continued addressing other investigation-related matters. Despite this, she remained uncooperative and refused to offer further information.
You're gonna sit there right where you are, you understand?
Yeah.
I just want to make sure my expectations of you are very, very clear. I cannot guarantee your safety if you don't listen to my lawful commands. You understand?
Can you just move the hair on my face? I'm sorry.
Lean forward.
Can I smoke a cigarette?
You may not smoke anything. You can sit right there and not move. If you move, I'm...
No, I guess here a long time ago.
Other than this little baggie in here and the straw that you have. How many phones do you have? We got a little bag that was inside this fanny pack here. And then in this guy, I don't see any narcs, just pairs. The straw, and then, but there's, I haven't found any rock or anything else. Is your hand okay for right now? You got it? Yeah, I'm all right. Alright, are you good if I move my car so it doesn't get plowed on the road? Hey, remember what I said? If you move,
I promise I'm
it's going to be worse than the last time. You understand me?
I promise I'm not moving. Am I allowed to maybe take a pull of a cigarette? I know I shouldn't even answer and I don't deserve it. There's no way you can... Listen, just a second, like a little bit.
Her behavior shifted suddenly from aggression to emotional distress, indicating a mix of fear or realization of her predicament.
I mean, we're sort of past this at this point. We're going to find out. Do you have a warrant or what?
I don't know yet, honestly. I was on probation at Point Shop.
Why wouldn't you just stay and talk to us?
Because I got scared.
So you thought running from two cops is a good idea?
No.
She started crying and pleading for release, but the officer remained focused and continued the investigation with professionalism, acknowledging that such reactions are common in their work.
What's your first name?
Deborah.
Are you barefooted? She was in the slides. I think they came off somewhere along the Lamborghini test run, you know?
They really weren't even mine. They were his. He took my shoes.
Why were you running from the cops? Why were you running?
Because I was on probation for sure.
Okay, so that makes it that much easier for you to run from the cops? No.
I get scared.
Huh?
I get scared.
Let me tell you something. In this world, you can run from these guys, but they're eventually going to find you. You don't win. Do you not watch cops on TV? They lose all the time. My first day on day shift, I thought I'd have less of this. I thought it was a nice switch over. Deborah, I got to ask you a simple question. You know where you're at? Where are you at? Sarasota? Okay. What year are we in?
2002.
2002?
After gathering all the information, the officer put the woman in a police vehicle and took her to the station for further investigation, following protocol despite her emotional pleas.
Gloves. Okay. What else do you need? I get some for your car. What's that? Gloves. Oh, yeah.
Hello, I'm Sergeant Morse of the Sarasota Police Department. You understand why you've been arrested today?
South Orange Avenue, across the Coral Street.
You gave a false name and then we have a warrant for your arrest. They told you that?
No, I didn't know the warrant, but okay.
You didn't know you had a warrant?
No.
Why'd you lie about your name?
Because I thought I was on probation.
Oh, you didn't get one. You didn't want to get in trouble with the probation officer. I see you got a scrape on your shoulder and on your toes. Is that on your knee there? You may have to take him to the hospital. I don't know. Take her to the jail and see if they'll take him. Who's I kind of doubt that they're going to take her with open wounds like that. We'll see.
Oh my God.
Rotate this arm down. Hold on.
Oh, the F.
Later, the woman appeared in court, facing charges of providing false information, resisting arrest, false imprisonment, and disorderly conduct. These charges reflected the seriousness of her actions and their legal repercussions.
Just slide your butt. Don't go face first. Oh, wow. What happened with your shoulder?
It's really hurts so bad. I fell. Oh,
I'm not a crap. Just put it on there for you.
okay, if you throw it out.
It'll go in your bag. It's all right.
Put it in the bag. Anything I need to anything I need to know about it. Nothing at all. Okay, you go off? No. All right, turn that face.
Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked it. Feel free to share your thoughts in comments section. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you will never miss any episode of our enthralling series.